Hey everyone, welcome to Holistic Wellness Realm. You know we are all about finding natural solutions, and today we're diving deep into one of nature's most incredible gifts, honey. Not just something you drizzle on your tea, honey is like this liquid gold with incredible powers. We're talking fighting off nasty bacteria, healing wounds, and even giving you an energy boost. We're going to uncover all the amazing benefits of honey and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. Make sure you stick around until the very end because I've got a special honey-infused DIY recipe that'll blow your mind. While you're watching, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for more awesome natural remedies. Now, let's get right into the magic of honey. So, what makes honey such a powerful antimicrobial agent? It all boils down to its unique composition. Honey has a high sugar content, which creates this unfavorable environment for bacteria to grow. It's like trying to swim in syrup. They just can't handle it. But that's not all. Honey also produces hydrogen peroxide, which you might recognize as that bubbly liquid we use to clean cuts and scrapes. This natural antiseptic is like honey's secret weapon against those pesky microbes. And here's the really cool part. Manuka honey, in particular, possesses an additional antibacterial punch, thanks to something called methyl glyoxal, or MgO. This stuff is like a superhero compound that gives Manuka honey its extra strength. From fighting off infections to keeping your skin clear, honey's antimicrobial properties are truly impressive. We've all been there. That scratchy throat, the annoying tickle that turns into a coughing fit. Well, guess what? Honey can be your new best friend when it comes to soothing coughs and sore throats. Think of honey as a natural cough suppressant, working its magic by coating and soothing irritated mucous membranes. It's like giving your throat a warm hug. Studies have actually shown that honey can be just as effective as some over-the-counter cough syrups, especially for kids. Just remember, never give honey to children under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism. So the next time a cough is cramping your style, reach for a spoonful of honey. Your throat will thank you for it. Okay, this is where things get really interesting. For centuries, honey has been used as a natural wound healer, and for good reason. Remember those antimicrobial properties we talked about? Well, they play a crucial role in fighting off infection and promoting healing. But it doesn't stop there. Honey helps keep wounds moist, creating a protective barrier that prevents scabs from drying out and cracking. This speeds up the healing process and can even minimize scarring. Now, not all honey is created equal when it comes to wound care. Medical-grade honey, like Manuka honey, has been sterilized and is specifically designed for this purpose. If you're dealing with a minor cut, burn, or even a stubborn ulcer, applying a thin layer of medical-grade honey can work wonders. Let's talk gut health, because a healthy digestive system is key to overall well-being. And guess what? Honey can lend a helping hand in that department too. Honey acts as a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria that live in our gut. Think of it as fertilizer for your gut garden, helping those beneficial bacteria flourish. This, in turn, can lead to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and even relief from occasional constipation. But here's a pro tip: raw honey, which hasn't been pasteurized or filtered, contains the highest concentration of those gut-friendly prebiotics. So, if you're looking to give your digestive system a boost, raw honey is the way to go. Free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease, are a fact of life. But the good news is that antioxidants, like those found in honey, can help neutralize them. Honey is brimming with antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, which act like little bodyguards, protecting our cells from oxidative stress. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. So by incorporating honey into your diet, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're giving your body an extra dose of protection against those harmful free radicals. Trouble falling asleep? Tossing and turning all night? Honey might be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. Here's the science behind it. Honey gives your liver a little glycogen boost, which is essential for keeping your blood sugar levels stable throughout the night. When your blood sugar is balanced, you're less likely to experience those pesky adrenaline spikes that can jolt you awake. Plus, honey helps promote the production of melatonin, our body's natural sleep hormone. It's like signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down and get some shut-eye. Try adding a teaspoon of honey to a warm glass of milk or chamomile tea before bed and see if it helps you catch that shut-eye. Need a quick pick-me-up? Skip the sugary energy drinks and reach for honey instead. Honey provides a natural and sustained energy boost thanks to its perfect blend of glucose and fructose. Glucose is like instant energy for your body, quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, while fructose provides a slower release of energy, preventing those sugar crashes. This makes honey an excellent choice for athletes or anyone needing a pre-workout or midday slump buster. Add it to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie for a delicious and energizing treat. So the next time you're feeling sluggish, remember the power of honey. It's like nature's energy bar. Here's a simple DIY honey recipe you can try at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Store the mixture in a glass jar with a lid. Use a spoonful of this mixture to sweeten your tea, spread on toast, or enjoy it straight from the jar for a delicious and healthy treat. This easy recipe not only tastes amazing, but also harnesses the natural benefits of honey, cinnamon, and lemon. Try it out and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Happy honey crafting! Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From honey's incredible antimicrobial properties to its ability to soothe coughs, heal wounds, and even boost our energy levels. It's truly an amazing gift from nature. Remember to incorporate honey into your daily life and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. And hey, if you try out that honey-infused DIY recipe I mentioned earlier, be sure to share your results in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this sweet journey into the world of honey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies, and I'll see you in the next one.